Good morning, year four. 2 weeks left. Countdown is on. It's Monday, and we're back to maths. Your first question for our little warm up is 1/4 of 12. Remember, pause it if you need to. Your next one, 40 multiplied by 5. Your next one, how many sixes are in 54? And finally, 264 multiplied by 2. Right, if you need to, pause it so you can work out the answers. I'm going to go through them just now. So 1/4 of 12 is 3. 40 multiplied by 5 is 200. How many sixes are in 54? There are 9. And 264 multiplied by 2 is 528. Right, so like I've just said, it is Monday, and we are learning to understand position and turning. I'm really excited about this My Maths work today. I think it's brilliant. So we're going to look at 2 ways of turning. So we describe turning as clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise goes the same way as your hands go round the clock. So that's an easy way to remember it. Clockwise is the same way that the hands go round the clock. And anti-clockwise is if the hands were going in the opposite direction, so almost like time was going backwards. So we've got clockwise moving forwards through the clock, and anti-clockwise moving backwards through the clock. In your My Maths homework, you'll be asked to remember some things about right angles, so remember what we talked about there, and you'll be talking about anti-clockwise and clockwise. Right, and this is your second bit from your My Maths homework. This is the bit that I'm excited for, and it looks really fun. So, complete the instructions to get to the car to the house. So the easiest way to do this, so you look down your side, we've already got forward 1, turn left, forward 1, turn right, forward 1, and then a couple of question marks, forward 1, couple of question marks. So easiest thing to do is to put your finger on the car and follow the instructions. So if I go forward 1, then I turn left, so my car's looking up now, forward 1 again, turn right, forward 1, and then I've got a couple of question marks, and I'll leave that up to you. This is where maths becomes a little bit like a game, because I'm sure some people will have played games similar to this. I hope you enjoy this, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.